Hello everyone, I'm Artem from GoLogin, and today I'll tell you how to use different 911s5 proxies in each profile. In the previous video I showed how to use the 911s5 proxy in GoLogin, but you can use several proxies of this provider, and for each profile you can assign a separate proxy. This can be useful for SMA managers who use different proxies for different profiles. It also saves you time. You don't have to switch 911s5 proxy when switching to another profile. So how to use different 911s5 proxy in each profile? First, launch 911s5 proxy application and go to the Settings tab. In the General Settings section, enter the port range available for port forwarding. And choose Other Proxy Tools in Proxy Tools section. Then go to the Proxy List tab. Right-click on proxy you would like to use, for example, France, and select the Forward Port to Proxy option. Select any available port for this proxy. You can also check proxies that are already assigned to some port on localhost. You can find this by pressing the Port Forward List button. So, then we should go to GoLogin and create new browser profile with SOC2 proxy. We've already created it in the previous video. In the proxy address field, enter the local host address 127.0.0.1. Then you should paste the local host address and corresponding port value. You can see it here. 5000. And save your profile. So let's check our connection. We should run our profile, and Orbiter browser will open start page with connection checker. Yeah, it's okay, we're in France. I hope I helped you, but if you still have any questions or suggestions, write a comment and I'll definitely answer you. Thanks for watching.